I've lived in London, I live in New York, I live in Tokyo. But I'm proud to say Oslo is my home. Yeah. And I love what Oslo has had to offer. There's just a lot of opportunity, a really vibrant cultural, music, food scene. Hi, my name's Anne. Welcome to one of my restaurants. It's called Gressholmen. We're a small place that's just about 11 minutes from the city, and I look forward to showing you around. It is a bit of a trek from when you get off the boat. A lot of people have gotten lost trying to find it, but that's part of the journey, you know, to get there and know that the through is through these woods. I know when I get on the island, everything is changed. You are hit with nature. I have a very culturally diverse background because my parents were traveling Baptist ministers. I grew up in Japan, but my parents are Taiwanese. I have a love for all these types of foods because they are a part of my experience. If you ask any chef, the quality of your final product is all about your suppliers, of course. Really fresh fish with some olive oil, garlic, parsley, lemon. It's very simple, but comforting. No, I like it. Good. Oslo is a place that I keep coming back to time and time again because Oslo has this hook. It's a magical place. She accepted it. This is my Oslo, being able to spend the day out in the islands and coming back to having a nice cow with my friends.